The most important and main functions of the console are displayed under the sidebar menu item Management. By accessing the API's subsection under the Management menu item, the entire API catalog of the relevant company can be viewed. This includes all the APIs developed and published by the company. As an administrator user, we are able to overview without limitation all available APIs inside the Management section of the APIs. When a specific API is selected, we can define a number of settings. For example, we can define timing parameters that trigger an event or action when a specific endpoint is considered too slow. Secondly, we can set the cache duration, so we can establish exactly for how long information is cached without being renewed. The second fundamental subsection is also found under Management and is called Applications. Here, all the consumers who are authorized to access our resources are listed. The first consumer listed in our API management system is the console itself, which works by utilizing APIs. Every function offered by the console is enabled based on API calls. While using SuperAdmin status, at least one consumer application will always be listed: the console itself. The third fundamental function of the console is the documentation area. Here it's possible to see, once the API has been selected, all documentation related to it, and consequently all the info required by the developers of the applications that have to use it. As SuperAdmin, we can also see the APIs currently being called by the console and consequently the complete list of APIs that enable the functions of the console. Users logged in with limited access are not able to see these APIs. As you can see, it's possible to select the API involved in this group one by one, and if needed, to simulate a call to verify the result.